Hey everyone, congratulations on your internship. While you're there, we're going to want you to do a couple of things. One, we're going to want you to make an awesome video talking about some of the opportunities that your internship's kind of granted you in. Talk about some of the different things that you've done in your internship and how you got the internship and what led to from that internship that you had. So here's an example of kind of what that will look like. Hi, my name is Chris Mogadam. I accepted a visual communication internship with the Scott College of Business. Over the course of the summer, I have been handling different media outlets for the Scott College of Business, incorporating design, logistics, and some of the other processes in the corporate structure. It's been a really great opportunity for me. I've got to meet a lot of different executives in the Scott College of Business, and also it led to me getting offered a full-time job after I graduate. So I'm really excited. Huge thanks to the Scott College of Business for kind of helping me get into the position where I need to be for this internship. So as you can see, that was a very simple video kind of talking about some of the opportunities that your internship has granted you over the course of the summer. Make sure that you record the video in a nice calm place, preferably in front of a company sign or a company logo or something like that. If it's windy outside or if it's raining outside, maybe do it inside, but somewhere where you can really show off that company that you're interning for. You don't need any fancy equipment. We have Andrew right here on the camera. And it's just really simple, just kind of record something similar to what we talked about in that video. So we look forward to seeing your internship videos.